brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you inside door handle replacement. We're going to do the driver's side on this 2-door. This is the same for a driver's front on a 4-door. And it's 2001 to 2005 Civic. Items you'll need are a new door handle from 1AAuto.com, small flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Switch off your dome light. Small flat blade screwdriver. Look at the top and pry out this little trap door. Get your screwdriver in there. Turn it down. Bring it out. Expose 2 Phillips screws. Pull the handle out. Then clip in behind. Push it in towards the car and off. Pull the rod out. And then you have a harness connection here. If you have power door locks, press down and release. Remove your door lock switch, just 2 Phillips screws. Reinstall your switch. You can't actually put it in incorrectly, it doesn't line up. The switch in place and thread your screws in first. This person can be a little difficult if you've got fat fingers like I do. Tighten them up. Reconnect your harness. Find your lock rod. Put it in. Make sure you bend this back to the back. Put your lock rod in. Clip that on and in place. Put your 2 screws back in place. And tighten them up. And then your trap door, the 2 tabs go to the bottom. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.